Today we got some big news from NVIDIA. The company just dropped its first 590 series preview driver. While it's mainly aimed at developers, but we also got some good news for gamers too. NVIDIA is finally adding something people has been asking for, a new feature called smooth motion for RTX 40 GPUs. So this is a preview driver, meaning it's not for a regular user yet, it's more for developer and early tester. It includes support for something called shader model 6.9. Now, if you're thinking what's that, don't worry. Those features are mostly for game developer, not gamers. But just to summarize quickly, shader 6.9 added stuff like 1024 element long vectors, cooperative linear algebra, which is helpful in rendering stuff together, shading, exclusion rendering for better ray tracing performance, opacity micromaps, which helps object looks more realistic when they are semi-transparent. Again, this is all backend stuff, not something we can see directly in the game right now. Now here's the fun part. Alongside of those dev tools, NVIDIA is secretly testing brand new features called smooth motion on the RTX 40 series card. Smooth motion is when you are playing a game that doesn't support DLSS frame generation and you wish you could get more frames without changing your graphics settings. Well, smooth motion does just that. It doubles your frame using the driver itself, no game support needed. It works kind of like AMD's fluid motion frame. It is very different from DLSS frame gen. DLSS frame is built into games and gives higher quality result. Smooth motion is more like a universal FPS booster that works almost anywhere. It is not perfect, but for older or unsupported titles, it's a big win. On the test in World of Warcraft 2, FPS from 82 to 164 just with smooth motion on. Even company of Hero 3, which doesn't have any frame generation features, showed a big improvement with double the output. Now here is the catch, NVIDIA apps doesn't officially been updated with smooth motion yet, but if you download the preview 590 drivers, you can unlock it. Thanks to some clever users over Guru3D, we now know that you can activate using NVIDIA's Inspector, even though it says it is only for RTX 50 series. Yep, it works just fine on RTX 40 cards too, so this isn't just for future GPUs. It's already working right now if you know how to enable it. Personally, I think it's a huge step forward for NVIDIA. A lot of gamers are playing titles that will never get DLSS frame generation, especially older or niche game. Smooth motion gives those players a simple way to boost FPS without waiting on dev support. And yes, it might not be as clean as DLSS frame generation, but for the plug and play, this is one of the best features. So what do you think about NVIDIA smooth motion? Would you try it out in your favorite non-DLSS game? Let me know in the comment. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more GPU news and gaming update. I have got more coming really soon. Peace.